Hi guys! This big Robbe Blue Arrow XL helicopter was given to me. Thank you very much. And no, it does not come from China. It comes from a second-hand shop. It will be my first real helicopter. It looks like the price was only $9.90. Unbelievable. This is less than the price of this mini drone. I assume it's about 10 years old. But the big question will be, does it work? Let's unbox it. Ta-da! Here it is. Looks good so far. Now let's see what we got. Of course, a bag with manuals. Everything is in German. Robbe was a German brand, and I believe they don't exist anymore. Well, the usual stuff. How to do this, how to do that, spare parts, etc. Let's proceed with the interesting stuff. So what does this box contain? A wall adapter for the LiPo charger. And of course the helicopter itself. It looks brand new at first glance. Nice, my first real helicopter. This is the 2-channel ESC, I believe. So what else is in this box? The transmitter, of course. Looks like a nice one. Nice and smooth joysticks. I like them. A strap is also included. This may be a trainer cable for the transmitter. And finally, we got the basic balance charger for 2S and 3S LiPos. This appears to be the manual of the trainer gear, but this is not included. Looks like good stuff so far, very exciting. I also got this training guide. It should be quite helpful for beginners like me. Next question. Will the transmitter work? There is no light. And batteries are still inside. Let's see whether or not they are flat. How much do we have? 1.55. This is okay. So I'm afraid there is a different problem. Now let's have a look at the helicopter itself. First let's remove the legs and body. Now we are in. Let's have a look. Yes, this is the ESC. It looks like the LiPo battery is not the original one. And there is a loose zip tie and a loose connector. We have two motors, one for each main rotor. These are the motor connectors. And here we have the receiver. It looks like the tail rotor is just an attrapy. The motor is very tiny. Why? Because a coaxial helicopter does not really need this rotor. We also got an adapter cable from Robbe plug to T plug. That's why I believe the battery is not original. Next question. Is the LiPo still good? Let's see. Oops, wrong way around. Now it's better. 11.2 looks good. Okay. Yes, the battery is good. Fine. Now, will it work? I don't want to kill myself, so I have clamped this thing to the table. Let's plug it in. Will it work? Nothing. No throttle. An LED on the receiver is flashing, but no lights on the transmitter. So I will have to open this thing later on and have a look inside. Let's unplug the battery. Now let's have a closer look at the rotors. Are they okay? Looks like this thing is slipping. Not good. The top one is okay. It doesn't slip. But the bottom one is not okay. Looks like we have a major problem. The swash plate also appears to be inclined. Looks like a major problem. The entire bottom main rotor appears to be loose. It's sliding up and down on the shaft. Here you can see why. This piece appears to be cracked. Hopefully I will be able to find this part. All in all, it looks quite good, but there are some major problems. If you like this video, subscribe and hit that bell button, so you will not miss upcoming episodes. See you. Bye.